Okay, go ahead, Stephanie. You're number one. Go open the gift.
Okay.
Open it so we can know.
Poor Bo. Just that I would do that.
I think I know.
I hope you didn't want to save the wrapping paper.
Oh! Are you happy? Okay. Hold on. Let me take a picture with you too.
I've always wanted one of those.
Hey, Maddie, do you want to steal a gift? Steal Stephanie's gift because she's the only one that opened it. Or do you want to open it?
The woman is like so swagged out.
Open that way?
Yeah.
Should I take a picture with you before and then after? Or like what? What do you want?
I need my hat.
I'll just record you. I'll take a picture afterwards.
Hey, what did
You guys, Maddie's opening her gift. Shut up. Stop.
Yeah. On the
Yay!
exam test? Or whatever?
No,
It's really a Caesar test.
ooh, a box?
A box.
I wonder what's in the
A
box.
box. You guys, a box.
I have scissors.
It looks like
they were
diapers.
here.
It's dusty.
Oh, did you bring that on purpose? No way, we cut the cards with it.
Christmas.
Oh, this Christmas music's just magical. What is it? What is it? It's like Christmas.
SpongeBob.
Oh, SpongeBob.
It's a sponge.
Oh, yeah. Isabella's number 3.
Yeah.
Oh, you're picking the triangle gift. Okay.
There's some syrup.
Okay.
We hated triangles. What's your problem?
Oh, Carlos just.
See, now we have to. I got racket.
I don't understand.
There's some serious business.
Travel alarm clock. I'm sorry, I have to read the back.
Oh, it comes with batteries. Oh, yeah.
There's some serious
Okay.
business.
Bye-bye, guys. Are you recording? Yeah. Okay, I'm number 4, you guys. What gift are you going to choose? Out of all these.
Yay!
Shut up.
I mean,
I wonder whose gift this is.
some syrup and business.
I don't play gift because then my emotion, like, I just feel really awkward. Oh! Oh, I should not have opened this. I wish I was like, you know. Carlos, you're next.
No!
Oh, you picked the Justin Bieber ring. Wait, hold this. Hold this.
JB loves you.
No, you picked the. You gotta have this ring on.
Die.
Look, I can't even.
Put your finger.
Oh, it's
You
No.
know Mike is stuck in
Okay.
that. Okay. You know Mike is stuck in
You
that.
heard Justin. Now leave it on. No, leave it on. You suck. Okay, I wanna watch you.
Yay!
Yeah. Oh my god.
Come on, little Carlos.
Little Carlos.
I feel like I'm like recording like a kid, like opening his present on Christmas Day.
Hands up.
It's a box. What you've always wanted.
Oh my god.
Tell me I'm getting screwed over.
It's a Nintendo 64.
I get stupid gifts.
Don't tell. I'm getting screwed over.
Are you gonna read the notes? Are you gonna read the notes?
Of
You're
course.
not allowed.
I wonder who got this present.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Whoever got this gift is a sexy mother.
Oh.
Open me.
Mother, what?
Who gave that?
Who wouldn't steal? I'm so amazed.
I don't think that whoever wrote that thought you were gonna get
I
it.
don't care.
I opened the last one. I'll do it for her.
Okay.
Jeez, Lily.
There's a cap or something. Hey, cap.
You know what? You didn't even show it off.
Here. Oh yeah.
It fits you.
I like it. Really?
Okay, you know.
It fits you.
Read it out loud. You didn't read. You're not gonna tear it off. You're not gonna even show them. You're not gonna read.
Ho 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 ho. There's 2.
Yeah, there's
Let's
2.
see. Let's see.
Wait, I gotta read it.
Read it out loud, Carlos.
Open me second, K. K.
Open me second. I thought he was like speaking another language.
I put effort into this. Happy holidays.
Sure you did.
No, I'm not gonna put this. I'm not gonna put it on Facebook.
I will.
Put it on YouTube.
I wanna like bleep this out. I have like the little sensor.
Graduation thing where Carl said, damn it.
No, wait, didn't he say damn it? I thought it was something else.
A calendar.
Oh my god, you're so
Straight.
stupid.
no.
Oh my gosh, I remember this too.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
In the Forever Alone case.
That's so cute.
On Valentine's Day.
Right here. More memories.
Oh, you have our birthday.
Yeah, happy y'all's
Why
birthday.
do you do that? I swear.
Harley's like blocking.
She has our faces and our birthdays.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, Stephanie. I didn't know you were like coming.
Here.
Wait,
And it
Carly,
has
you
some
should
mods.
keep that.
I will keep it.
Unless someone steals it.
Wait, I want to.
Someone.
Pass me the calendar.
No, I'm
He's not done yet.
fine. Alright? Then here's more pictures.
Wait,
Oh
who's
God.
in May?
I'm jumping.
Lily's in May.
I'm just in May. I don't know. It's not my
Wait,
birthday.
did I even see mine?
That's not your birthday. You put yourself in it?
Yeah. Why not? Should have put on every day. Every day, really. Yes, your birthday's on there. With Clara.
Is it like a picture of him on it?
Yeah, picture with him and Clara.
And you're just here too.
Me!
Haley.
Yay!
I think Anna, yours is in there. I don't know.
And then June. And it has both of y'all's birthdays.
Maddie.
I know.
See, it says y'all's birthday on the top.
I think your birthday's in July. Huh? Yeah. 18th and then 13th.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah.
Who's your line?
No, this says
Oh my god,
call
this is an
away
old
today.
picture.
So I had to call you.
Yeah, you gotta call me that day.
And then this one, which I love. Only because of the shirt. The shirt's only cool.
Why the heck am I on it?
Why not? I had to get some pictures of Maddie in it, so I mean, I was trying to find pictures of you.
It's a beautiful cupcake.
You can have a whole bunch of pictures of like me, Haley, and Clara.
See, my face is like blocked out of that one. Oh well, whatever.
Oh well.
Half my face. I think yours is too.
Me and Michelle's birthday.
There's like a whole bunch of us in there.
I know.
There's so many pictures of
I mean, I like the Christmas one.
Who wouldn't want to steal that? There's a picture of like me on like every page.
Right there.
I couldn't find any pictures. I'm just like,
Who
what
am I
picture?
hugging?
Lily.
Okay.
I wonder who gave this to you. I wonder who made that gift. I don't know. Did you make it, Claire? You trying to lie to all
It
of
was
us?
me.
It was you. And
The
December.
corn.
It's the
I had to.
Facebook.
I had to. Well, that's it. Yep.
Yay! Yay!
Okay, let me take a picture with you. Okay, who's next?
I'm actually really scared.
Who's next? Oh, Anna's next? Oh, let me get back over there.
Ball. It's like a
Ow.
soccer ball.
It's a globe.
Wait, what is that again?
It's a snowball. Snow globe?
Hi, you would.
Pillow pet? Wow. Who said soccer ball? I wonder. I just wonder.
Carlos, you can't play.
I don't know. Okay, Anna, you didn't want to steal a gift? Okay, whatever. Okay, whose turn is it? Oh, Haley's. Haley, do you want to steal a gift or
What number
like?
are you?
Oh wait, let me take a picture. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to steal? You want to steal any of these wonderful gifts?
You know what?
Wait, is that stocking you give?
Hi, either way, it goes to our house.
Is this one?
Either way, it
Shut
goes to our house.
up! It's not even Claire's turn. It's Haley's turn, so she can steal.
What's steal?
Z.
I'm
I'm looking at you.
I wasn't gonna steal. That's okay. I mean, I'm gonna steal D.
The Stuggy.
Okay, I'm
Stuggy.
getting it.
Stuggy. 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 Oh.
Let's steal this.
Oh, Isabella.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Your turn, Isabella. Not your turn, it's Isabella's turn.
Oh, go.
Right.
Go,
Give me
go.
that one.
You wanted that?
You should put your foot in there after you take all the stuff out. Look at you.
So Haley stole a gift.
Yeah.
Play soccer.
What is it?
Lava lamp. It's a lava lamp.
Oh, lava lamp. Oh. Wait, there's more.
Fuzz.
What is in there?
Yeah, fuzz.
Oh,
Just what I wanted.
just fuzz. Okay, well, I'm gonna take a picture now. Ah, you're number 8. Okay, ow, the chair. Oh, you were just eating the whole time? Okay. Now open your gift.
70 years old.
I know.
What is it, Clara?
Hello. What's up? What is it?
So,
Didn't I tell somebody?
Oh, a Nerf gun. Oh, man. Me and Claire, we're just gonna have a ball. We're just gonna have a ball, Claire.
you always
You're gonna be
predict the
shooting
future.
marshmallows.
Whatever.